Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a clean with me video for you today. My kitchen was gross. I hadn't been feeling well, and so I needed to get everything taken care of in the kitchen. I've lit a candle. We're going to start by unloading the dishwasher and get this kitchen cleaned really well. If you haven't had a chance, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button below. Also click the little bell that sends you a notification when I upload new videos. I'm going to try and upload 3 days a week. I think we're going to shoot for Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And I would love it if you'd leave this video a thumbs up and also comment below if you'd like. I love reading people's comments. It's just fun to connect with people. Well, of course, if they're nice comments. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm using the Method stainless steel cleaner on my stovetop. It works pretty good, but I have to kind of buff it out. So I go through and I wipe everything down, and then I use a second microfiber cloth to kind of buff it out and make it look really nice and shiny. I also use this on my refrigerator and my other stainless steel appliances. I'm going to share with you my top secret stainless steel cleaning tip. The best way to keep stainless steel looking really nice. Are you ready for it? Don't touch it. That's the only way I've found. Stainless steel is beautiful, but it is hard to keep looking nice all the time. You just have to stay on top of it. I am using the wood cleaner from Grove Collaborative on my cupboards. Actually, every single cleaning item that I use in this video can be purchased on the Grove Collaborative, and I will leave that link below. I love this wood cleaner so much. It smells so good. I love the smell of almond, and it is seriously my favorite. So that's what I'm using to shine up my cupboards and clean those off really nice as well. So the single still cleaner works really well on my toaster. I love it. And now I'm going to start wiping off my countertops. I like to use the multi-purpose cleaner, or I'm going to be using the Caldrea, Tangelo, and Palm Frond. You guys, this smells so good. But one thing I do when I wipe off my counters is I try to use what's called the S pattern, which is I make an S and I go right to left. And then when you get down to the bottom, you have any crumbs or kind of debris, and you're not taking those germs and working them all over your counter. So if you go in that S pattern, then you're gathering up all the dirt and germs and grossness instead of just like swishing it around on your counter. Common with bleach that I'm using to clean out my sink is the only thing not from the Girl Collaborative, but I've had it for a while and I'm just trying to use it up. I hate to waste things, so I'd rather just use it up and then I'll buy something else when it's gone to clean out my sink. It does a good job though. I'm sure you've noticed as you've watched the video that I've gone through about 20 microfiber cloths and a couple towels. I keep this bucket in my pantry, and whenever I have a dirty microfiber cloth or a towel, I throw it in there, and then I just do all the towels at once. So when I have a big project like this, I just get it out and throw it on the cupboard. That way I'm not like cross-contaminating or using a dirty cloth on things that it shouldn't be used on. So I think that's another tip that I really have liked, is keep that bucket in your pantry or somewhere close in your kitchen that you can just throw those dirty towels and cleaning cloths in, and then you can just throw them in the laundry when it's full. So I'm just going to finish up vacuuming. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day.